To make it through another hot day. If you take yesterday's forecast, replicate it today, that's exactly what you're going to be seeing. Here's what we're tracking this morning. Heat advisory now in place for some portions of Alabama, not necessarily our viewing area, but it is impacting the state. Record heat territory for the metro area and other communities around central Alabama. And the weekend heat will continue. And can you believe this weekend officially in spring? We are technically in spring right now. Doesn't feel like it though. Here's where those heat advisories are setting up down towards the southeast. The reason I point this out is just because you may not see your county that you live in this orange color. That does not mean that you're escaping the dangers of the heat today. Heat advisories mean that with the air temperatures adding in those dew point values, it will feel closer to 105 this afternoon. I actually think that the heat index values for the Birmingham metro area over towards Tuscaloosa, even up towards Coleman, will be over 100, but it doesn't quite put us in that category to issue a heat advisory. So we're staying high and dry. We could use some rain. No rain out there this morning. Our storm track radar showing a dry scan. Dome of high pressure is baking us in this summer-like heat. It will be summertime heat next week for sure, but it's also controlling where the rain to our west is going. This high is steering this rain away from us, and it's now from Houston all the way up towards Little Rock, Arkansas, including parts of Oklahoma. So that wet weather will continue driving off to the north and to the east, and unfortunately, very little impact on our forecast across Alabama. Here's the record heat territory. Today I'm forecasting 95 for your high. The record was set back in 1953 of 99. Now, when you add in those dew points, it feels much hotter out there. But let me show you this just as a little perspective here. Average June should see 11 days with temperatures at 90 degrees. Last year, we had 9. That was for the entire month. Remember, we're only about halfway through June now, and we've already had 7. Well, I can guarantee today will be 8, tomorrow will be 9, and then the weekend 10 and 11. And the 90-degree days continue even through next week. So we will be well above average for this June. Once we finish out June, we will probably be closer to 20 days with temperatures at 20. And it will feel very uncomfortable to oppressive today with those dew points in the upper 60s to low 70s. So please use caution if you're heading outside. Dress in light colored clothing, loose fitting clothes, drink plenty of water, and stay indoors in the heat of the day as best as possible. We could see a few isolated showers today, but they will be few and far between. I would even say some folks that get the rain, those are going to be the lucky neighborhoods. But not everyone is going to be blessed with the wet weather today. The rain not only provides us with a nice little reprieve from the heat, but the front yards could really use a little rain right now. Unfortunately, not seeing a whole lot of rain in the extended forecast. Hopefully, a couple more showers for your Friday, and then a pretty standard summertime pattern for this weekend. But check this out. Low 90s for Saturday. How about 93? Cool down. But check this out. A big warm up by Wednesday as temperatures will be nearing 100. That's your Storm Track 7-day